Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to this card making video. Today I'm using this cardstock which is 4 inch by 4 and 5 and a quarter inch, and I'm also using this embossed paper. This is about 1 inch by 5 and a quarter, and then this small squares, these are from the beautiful pattern paper, and these are size about 1.5 inch squares. So I'm going to place it and see how I want to adjust it, and then I'm going to first stick this strips on both the sides. Then now I'm going to put like a double-sided foam tape, and I'm going to adhere it on the center of the card. Oh, before I put the square pattern paper, I'm going to first adhere this leaf. Then I'm going to add this square pattern paper. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way you will get to see all my videos. So I'm adhering all three of them. Now I'm using this small kind of like a stem, and these are like I did the die cut and I forgot to color it, so I'm going to quickly color those. Which matches those pattern paper, and I'm going to adhere it together. I'm going to tie the twine and then add the sentiment on the top. I'm using double-sided foam tape to give some effect, and I'm going to adhere it. Then I'm going to put all together and adhere it on the base card. And as a finishing touch, I'm putting some pearls. So this finishes my first card. Now for the second card, I'm using the same 4 inch by 5 and a quarter inch card, and then I'm going to cut this small strip which is 1.5 inch by 5 and a quarter, and I'm going to adhere it on the side of the card. So I have made this die ready. So I used a pattern paper and did this die. Um, I'm going to place it and see how I want it. And I'm using double-sided foam tape to stick that on the card. Now I'm putting the twig and see where I want it. So now I'm going to first adhere these twigs and then the vase. Now I'm going to add those ways in the card. Now I'm going to add all those small tiny florals. These are like very cute and small, perfect for this kind of twigs. So I'm going to adhere everything and then I'll finish this. Now for the bottom, I'm just going to cut a small strip of paper and I'm going to also adhere it. Now I'm going to use the twine and tie it. And then I'm going to cut the extra twine. Then I'm going to add some sentiment. Then I added the pearl and finished the project. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.